So the first program is about finding the sum of all the elements in the given array. So how do I find the sum of all the elements in the given array is, so here the array is given and accordingly say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is given. I have to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, which I will get the output here. Okay, so I should get the output as 45, something like that. You will have to do it. So let us explore how to do the program. As I've explained you in the last topic, you will be having different blocks. So the first block will be variable block. So in the variable block, if you see, I have got import Java, then I had given the name of the class, then void main. And here I will be having a scanner class. I and J are the rows and the columns which I will be using in the loop. And here I will be declaring s is equal to 0 because I am going to find the sum. Initial value of s is 0. This is the array declaration. Int a of is equal to new int of 3 because it is a 3 by 3 matrix. So this will be the first block. Okay. Coming on to the second block. What is the second block? Yes, correct. It is the input block. So in input block, I'm just asking the user to enter the elements of a two-dimension array. So here they will enter the elements of a two-dimension array. If you see here, it is given as rows and columns where I will be having 3 rows and 3 columns. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus. Now I will be taking the input. The input statement is in dot next end, which is stored in a of ij. So this is the second block, which is called as the input block. Got it? So what is the third block? Exactly. The third block is to print the matrix. So the printing block. So here we will be printing the matrix. So when you are printing the matrix, I am just giving the input matrices. Again, take the loop. The loops will be repeating everywhere whenever you call the matrix. So I is less than 3, j is less than 3. Then I am printing. See here, you have to observe here. First time when you are printing, it is print. Next time it will be println. So you will be writing like system.out.print a of I plus one gap, and then you give system.out.println, and then you close this block. See that the brackets are matching properly. So this is the third block. Got it? The next final block actually will be the output block and the calculation block, because here it is sum I'm directly calculating. So this output block will be I equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus, j equal to 0, j is less than 3. So I am calculating the sum. So sum equal to sum plus a of I comma j. Then I will be printing the sum. So the entire sum is stored in S, right? So it will be 1 first time, 1 plus 2. The third time again it will be plus 3 according to the loop given, and finally I will print the value of sum. If I have the some matrix to be printed, again I have to call the loop and then print. Since I don't have any matrix, I'm printing this directly. So this is all about sum of all the elements in the array. But I wanted you to take a paper pen and then write it down from the beginning so that you will understand the logic. Variable block, input block, then a printing block, and then the output block. Please do write it in your notebook, then the practice will be more effective. Okay, I'll meet you all in the next topic, that is how to find the maximum and minimum of the given elements in the array. Okay.